Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about an amazing app called Digital Detox. So what is Digital Detox? It will make your life easier. So if you're constantly scrolling through Instagram, YouTube and any other apps online, and you want to take your phone aside and don't want to use it and want to block all other apps, and it's like blocking your phone for some time so you don't get addicted of using it once more. So if you want to concentrate on your study and you want to stop your cell phone being attended to calls, and you want to stop using any other app, so this is called Digital Detox. So what you have to do is download this app called Digital Detox from your Google Play Store, or if you're using an app store for iPhone, you can download that too. So once you install that, if you open that app, this is how you will find it. So you have in my case, I'll agree to these terms and conditions if I have allowed all of the applications. So you have to make sure that you allow all of the applications so it can control them easily. For now, I'm just skipping it, and I want you to know about the app. So once you come inside the app, you will have this kind of interface. So in Digital Detox, you can choose for how long you want your phone to be away from you. Like you don't want to get back to your phone and start scrolling. So you can choose your timeline according to that, for 5 minutes or for 4 hours or whatever time you use. So after that, what you have to do is you can also do a lot of these challenges, say medium, hard, and for hard you're gonna 1 day, and grandmaster for 2 days. For example, in my case, I want to use Digital Detox, so my video might end up and you will learn that how this works. So if I select 5 minutes, for example, if I select 5 minutes and click on the start button, this will automatically put my phone into another screen. So that's kind of its usage. So if I click on the start button, you can see, are you sure? You won't be able to use your phone for 5 minutes. You can quit early, but it will cost you an accountability fee of Rs 170. So in the event, you can shortly exit of our app. So it asks for your money if you quit out, and so that's tricky one, because if you are ending up paying about the money, so you will be very cautious about opening this app. So once you're done, you can click on yes begin, and it will automatically be a flat black screen. If I click that, my video might end up. So let's click it. So you can see the interface in here. Now this is how Digital Detox looks like. It is kind of remaining time. I have 5 minutes. I can increase the time from the right side above. I can decrease the time. I can reschedule time as well. And you get kind of motivations from what emotions are you noticing right now, and a lot of things that it kind of creates a self-reflection that you have been wasting time on your phone. So this is a very quick and easy method on if you want to we have 3 emergency uses of 2 minutes left, and we have quiet time. We can use that in case of emergency, but I want you to avoid it from the start. So this is a very quick and easy tutorial on how you can use Digital Detox to ease up your life and be focused on your actual work that you are doing. So if you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel. We will see you in another video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.